Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So the person you are seeing here is Commander Marathon. So and I would like to share with you this video. I saw this video, someone posted it. This person you are seeing here, he's the one that posted it. Then I decided to listen to that to know what he said. The video that we shared last time where Commander Gentle where they were discussing about the catapult being manufactured and all that. And I saw this guy there. Okay, that's just the fact. I saw him there, but this is my first time hearing his voice. I have not watched his video. I have not seen any. I don't think he have addressed any born on camera like this before, or addressed Biafrans rather. But today he decided to you know talk, and what he said here somehow to me is shocking. It's shocking because I feel like it's lamentation or complaint about what is going on. Something that ordinarily you don't hear that from Biafran army. You don't hear that. But maybe I am wrong. But you're gonna listen to him. Then you tell me your own take on that. I don't appreciate the video. It makes me more worried to understand or to know the condition of our people. But I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Just like the video if you have not. Okay, yes, don't mind the color of the video. I'm just trying to make a quick reaction to that. I did not download it to play it for you because I think it's something that you need to hear without wasting much of your time. Because sometimes we don't know what are going through or what is going on. So it's always good for you to be aware. Do you understand? Or it's always good for you to be aware of what is happening. So let me allow him to pass the message. I'm trying to locate the minutes so that we cannot miss any part on the video. I don't want to miss any part on the video. Okay, let me let me release the audio now so you can hear him.
My fellow Biafrans, depending your locations and time frame of viewing this video information, I want to greet the General Bulldozer, the General Commander of all Biafrans Defense Forces. I greet you so much, sir. I appreciate your courage, your resoluteness, your steadfastness, your love of defending Biafra nation. General, Morisa, I greet you. And I also greet all the whole Biafrans that are working assiduously of making sure that the total liberation and total restoration of Biafra is finally actualized. Those on social media doing nice work, we appreciate all of you. And all the commanders of 40 states of United States of Biafra, all the commanders that are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that our territory, the Biafra nation, the Biafra land is protected and defended. I greet all of you. I want to also use the opportunity being 7th of February 2025 to let the United Nations to understand what is going on in Biafra land, what is going on in the United States of Biafra. There is war, a serious war is going on. The battle in Biafra land is a heavy one that even foreign mercenaries have been entering into Nigeria to help Nigeria, to assist Nigeria, to combat, to war against, to fight against Biafrans. I want the United Nations, the world leaders, it down for the world to understand what I am saying. After the Biafran First War with Nigerian government in 1960, there has been war going on, underground war going on. There has been a killings, murdering of innocent Biafrans, destroying life and properties. Today, you can hear us witness, you can see it with your eyes what is going on social media, how Nigerian terrorist governments with Islamic foot soldiers that is from Sahel, that has been killing people. It is on social media everywhere. Okay, today we are facing the war, and the world kept silent. All lovers of freedom, both those on social media, please share this message, share it very wide. It is very, very important what is going on for the people of the world to understand what is going on in the land of Biafra. Our youth, the youth of Biafra has been all killed by hopes of them, and nobody is talking anything. Our people has been kidnapped, hijacked, kidnapped in every locations in the whole 40 state of Biafra, and nobody saying anything. Christopher Musa is the real person that is killing Biafrans, murdering Biafrans by the assistance of Tinubu, purpose of them and Southeast political idiots. Please, I want Biafrans to look into the matter issue of Mazi Semanaiba. Please, Finland, EU, European Union, all the lovers of freedom, please release Mazi Semanaiba. He is our able Prime Minister. We are proud of him. He is a good guy. He is a good man. He is the only voice that is speaking for Biafrans since the detention of Mazi Semanaiba. There has been killings in Biafra land. For you to understand that Semanaiba is not the problem, because there has been killing against Biafrans before Mazi came up. It is because of the killings against Igbos that makes Mazi to come up to be a man that is speaking for his own people. They call him a terrorist. They tag him a terrorist, and they kidnap him in Kenya, reducing him in Nigeria, and they still holding him in DSS Dungeon in Abuja. We are not Islam. We can never be a Muslim. We can never bow down to any other God except the God of Biafrans. And we are proud of our God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. So the men on ground, we are standing resolute. Commander Jeju Killer, I applaud you. You are a great man. I am hearing every good news, good things, every good thing that you are doing to protect your land, the land of Biafra. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you. And all the commanders in 40 states of Biafra that is standing resolute in making sure our territory are protected. Please, United Nations, we need your support. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu regain his freedom. That is what we are asking for. This is what we are agitating. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what has he done? Release him for us. If you release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there will be peace in Biafra land. If you release Mazi Semanaiba, there will be peace in Biafra land. Please, the whole world should listen to us. Biafran people are dying. The men on ground has been trying all the possible means to make sure the Biafrans are protected. But now, the foreign mercenaries have entered. The foreign mercenaries have entered. The ECOWAS, they join together. They team up together. All the ECOWAS nations, they team up together. And they brought in foreign mercenaries. And it is the foreign mercenaries we are fighting with now. Please, let the whole world come. Because let the whole world for our rescue. Please, no matter who you are, come and help their dear friends. Their friends are dying. Please, 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 come and help their friends. We need assistance. We need assistance. Foreign mercenaries is now in Lebanon.
So this is the video, and I personally, after watching this video, I don't. Yes, there's a lot of good message, good information, like nice stuff that he said here. But some people may, even me, I may twist it or misunderstand it. You understand? Based on the way he passed the message. Do you understand? Because normally we don't see commanders sounding like this way. You understand? I'm just saying. I'm just trying to compare it with how they normally pass the message before. But can we ask what is the sudden change? I mean, why is it that it now is no longer as it used to be? What has happened? Could it be because of this? I must be leader. I must not be leader. Biafran army saying that they want this person to lead them, I don't know. I'm not gonna say much. Okay, I just want to let you know what he said. So, what's your own take? I want to hear from you this time around. Can you comment? Put your comment and tell me what do you understand from the message. Do you think he said what he's supposed to say, or do you think something bad is going on truly, that Biafran's army are facing a lot of challenges, that their life are being threatened, or do you think it's just normal message that is supposed to pass based on what our people are going through that everybody can see? But we have been saying this, Biafrans have been saying this for years. So I don't think the idea of calling somebody that you have been calling to help you, that refuse to help you, I don't think calling them now when they know that, because they really want you to gone. And if that thing that they want to happen to you is happening to you, calling them is a waste of time, because they know, in fact, that's what they wanted to happen. But why do we allow ourselves to be in a position that enemy wants you to be? That's the question I want to ask. Anyway, my people, like the video and tell me what you think about it on comment section. Like I said, God bless you. Bye bye for now.